The thing stopped recording automatically one more time. I am back. We are in my house right now, waiting for some people to get here so we can leave to go to St. Augustine. Oh, there's a smudge on the camera that I said I was gonna get rid of in the last video, but I never did. I'm sorry. I get rid of it now. My shirt can't reach that. Clean. We are leaving to go to St. Augustine. We're gonna get there probably around 3. I want to get some drone shots of the whole town area, get some cool shots with the handhelds. The main plan of going there was to see the lights from a trolley, and I don't really know much about that because I didn't put any research into that part. We have Adam down here, you can't see. We have Logan over there that is probably blocked, and then we have Shay and Sarah. Daniela and Serena will be here shortly. They are holding us up. So I'll go ahead and catch up with you when we're in the car or on the way somewhere. I don't really know.
Mark, are you getting my ride hurting with your shoes?
Yeah, put these on. We're about 30 minutes out from St. Augustine, and Adam is sitting in the middle, completely silent. So yeah, 30 minutes. I'll catch up with you then.
I have 150 times.
What do you mean zoom in on that? Like that. We are in St. Augustine. The fort is somewhere back there. Totally too exposed to see anything, but we did see a park ranger, so that means my drone is gonna get shot down. It's okay though. I'm gonna give it my all. All right, we got the cast of characters. We got Daniela, Sarah, Serena, Shay, Logan, David, Adam, the usual. We parked in a questionably legal location. Yo, this city looks crazy for drone footage. There's so many like insanely old buildings. The college looks cool, the fort. I think the drone shots here are gonna be pretty sick. I haven't been here since in like 4th grade. It looks significantly smaller now. Okay, we're trying to get off this grass now because the grass is a national park. And I'm gonna take off the drone, fly it around this area, get some good shots. Hope you enjoy them. Let's see what we can do. Oh, you be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. Okay. Okay. Drone shots went well. I got some sick shots going around that fort. Hope they look good.
Yeah, like straight up swine flu.
Everybody, as soon as I took it off, it was just like all eyes on me, and then I just yeeted that thing as far away as possible, so I had no connection to it anymore. I didn't get anything going over it because over the fort's national park, around the fort, on land is national park, but water is not. So that went pretty well. Adam got some good shots, I think, too. David caught it in front of the crowd. So now we're gonna go find either another place for the drone or maybe some food or something, but we're gonna keep exploring. Bathrooms. I'll catch up with you at the next location.
Busting this man.
Hey guys.
Oh shoot, he is the man.
Wait, we out here. What's up? Yeah, I got the new fit.
Look at those, look at those. Them hoes clean. Them hoes clean. Look at that, look at that. Ooh, kill him. I think that's from Gucci probably. Ooh, get that Gucci strap on. You already know, you already know. And then him.
You wanna get in the vlog? You guys wanna get in the vlog?
Yeah, everyone nice. Hey! Around Captain Mark.
Oh, it's Captain Mark.
Captain Mark!
We're trying to wait for sunset, and then we'll go to dinner.
You're just moving like this right now.
Until then, don't know what we're doing. Logan likes watching Taffy get stretched. This place has the best buildings to fly drones around.
The fact that they would wait.
The streets out here are trying to get us.
Look at these freaking things. Like you walk, you swing this at somebody and you kill them.
Explosion noise!
Booty shorts.
Ponce de Leon landed near this spot.
Post up with Juan Ponce de Leon. You already know. Post
up. He landed his helicopter right here in 1513.
Hey, comment F for respect.
Oh.
Come on, man. You're gonna kill somebody. Pay attention.
The trolley drivers are entirely savage. Look at this bridge. It like goes across water. Look at all these vessels of water.
Look at all these chickens.
Isn't the sunset just like the best?
It's kind of brave.
I wish there was some way we could see, like we could show them.
There is. Watch. Rotate. Adam.
Look at this sun. Look at this sun. Look at this sun. We're on top of the drawbridge. They're taking a lot of pictures.
It's good lighting.
I was thinking about taking the drone off from here, but I think it's a little more trouble than it's worth because of how tight quarters it would be to land and take off. I don't know what's going on. The streets are being flooded with new people, and we're on the hunt for dinner. We found a place that we could mostly agree on. It only took about 3 fist fights.
David lost 2 teeth. He said
one of those things that guesses people. We're gonna try you.
Oh, what we got? What we got here?
The fries taste like the fries from Mediterranean Gourmet.
Got that pirate burger. Fish and chips. Grilled cheese.
Food. Is everybody happy that we waited 1 million hours so that we could? I'll see you when we're done eating. I'm kind of upset right now because I just checked some of the GoPro footage and I actually did not hit record as usual on the church footage. So that's a little upsetting, but I got the good Fort stuff, so at least I have something. All right, I'll see you when we're done. That was a good meal for 2 that I just ate by myself. You're the flex.
You know what that means, Mark? You gotta eat dessert for 2.
Yep.
Where's that ocean right there?
Yeah, so we're just walking around the fort right now. We didn't do it up in the daytime, but we have some spare time since Sarah and her friends decided to go on one of the light tours. We decided to just take that time to come look at the fort some, since the extent of my search before was from the air. This looks so funny, just a line of people walking down this wall. We're trying to avoid the mud right now. Okay, we're still out here just randomly next to the fort chilling. I think my video is now gonna have a lack of content because I missed out on that drone footage because I didn't hit record, but it's okay. You know, you got the basis of it, of St. Augustine. You can pretend.
Already lack content.
God is Adam, why you gotta do that to me, bro? Why you gotta put me on blast? Oh my God.
What?
That dude.
So yeah, but she got help down, and then she also screamed on the way down, and then fell over when she landed.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna go hit up a dessert place after Sarah and Daniela finish their little light tour thing. I'll probably catch up with you then. Not doing too much right now, but yeah. So I'll see you when we get to the milkshakes. Thanks. Hey Adam, how's the milkshake?
Ew, what's that?
I gave myself a tongue hickey.
How you feel about this? We stopped for milkshakes after dinner and flying the drone. I think this is going to conclude our trip to St. Augustine, so I'll catch up with you when we get back to the car. If you're ever in St. Augustine, 10 out of 10. Check it out. David, how do you feel?
Bro, that was one of the best, bro, better than Steak and Shake, bro. That's a
of course. I'll see you when we get back to the car. We're mopping down the road. Camera battery is about to die. That's gonna be a wrap of the in St. Augustine Calypse. I'm gonna make it back to the car now. Probably just gonna get in and head home. I'll wrap it up when we get to the house. That's a wrap on St. Augustine. See you when we're at the house. Open right now.
You're bad.
Okay, we made it back to the house. I almost forgot to wrap up this video, but it's almost 1 AM now. We've been back for a little bit, just chilling. It was a good day at St. Augustine. I think I got an okay amount of footage. Again, I missed a total drone section because I forgot to hit record, and I'm going to write/put a label on my controller to always remember to hit record from now on. I live and I learn. So I hope you liked the video. Pretty big moment. One of my snowboarding videos just hit 500 views, which is the highest on a video to date. Definitely way higher than any of my other ones. So that's pretty cool. 500 is obviously a little low, but you know, for me, it's high. So feels good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, whenever that is, because school is starting again. So who knows when I'm gonna make another video. I will eventually. So I'll see you then. Peace out. And maybe one day I'll figure out my own outro word or set of words. I'll just see you in the next video.